Hi there. For this little video, I would like to quickly go over procedural text, and then I have a couple of different texts in front of me, and I want you to give me a thumbs up for yes, it's a procedural text. This is an example of a procedural text, or no, it's not. Okay? So remember, procedural text tells us how to do something or make something, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to hold up an example. Give me a thumbs up for yes, that's an example of procedural text, or no, that's not. Deep in the Jungle. So just by reading the title and looking at the cover, is this an example of procedural text? Thumbs up or down? Nope, not an example. This book is not going to tell you how to do something or make something. It's just a book for you to read. Book for you to read and enjoy. What about this? How to make cookies. And this might be a little hard to see, but then here are the steps. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. What is this? Is this an example of procedural text? Thumbs up or down? This is an example of procedural text. You have to follow the steps in order to make cookies. So this is an example. This is a recipe. Remember that was one of our examples of a procedural text? Okay. Here's a book. Freezing and Melting. Do you think this book is an example of procedural text? Thumbs up or down? No, this isn't an example. This is just a book. It's probably a book that is teaching about freezing and melting. So it's probably an informational book, not an example of procedural. Okay, what about this book? How to Draw Dinosaurs. How to Draw Dinosaurs. And give you a moment to think about it. Is this an example of procedural text? Thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't think it is. Thumbs up. It is an example of procedural text. Why? Because one of our examples we went over in the last video was how-to books are examples of procedural text. They tell us how to do something. So in this book, it's going to tell you how to draw different dinosaurs. Okay? All right, let's see. And then our last example is this. This might seem a little weird, but right there. It says instructions, Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. Do you think this text right here is an example of procedural text? Thumbs up or down? It is. Why? Because remember, procedural text tells you how to do something or make something. So in this, the instructions right here, it tells us how we can use this book cover, right? It's telling us how to do something. And it's going in order. There's steps. So we have to follow the steps in chronological order, right? To get this on correctly. Okay, I hope you like this little video over procedural text.